Hello, my name is František. I'm going to show you my workshop. I have some cutting machine, grinding machine, heat treat machine, uh, some press machine, power hammer, drills, bolt grinder, hardening tester. Actually, I have a lot of machine. I was preparing for few years. Now I'm going to make gas forge. It's my first project for beginning because I want to make some Damascus blade. Now what I gonna need it? Some steel, some bricks, which one I buy, and also I have some ceramic wall. It's for isolation. It's for free, okay? It's not perfect, but I think it's gonna be enough. Okay, if you like it, thumbs up and follow me. Thank you. Let's go work.